Meaning of dweller.
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 Dweller. Dweller refers to someone who lives in a specific place, especially for a long period of time. It is commonly used to refer to residents of a particular community or area, as well as to individuals who live in a particular type of housing such as an apartment building or a retirement home. The term dweller can also have a connotation of permanence, indicating that the individual is not just passing through the area but has established themselves there. Overall, dweller is a term that describes someone's ongoing connection to a particular physical location.